Hi. So I am recording this video because many time my clients say that the bot is not working, the bot is not doing this, doing that. That's why I have to keep making the same tutorial again and again to make them sure that the bot is working and maybe you are doing something wrong. So if you do something wrong and if you are having some issue, just let me know. I will try my best to just fix the issue, to sort it out and make the bot perfect for you. Okay, so you can see that today is 1st of July 2025, and one of my client just a few minutes ago told me that he tried with this link, but the bot is not working. The bot is not even clicking on the find ticket button. So let's just run the bot and try to see that if it works or not. So I am running the run batch file.
Starting the bot.
Okay, and okay, so all the settings should be fine for a test run, but if you are using it in the real life scenario, at that time you can just change this delays. So I am using a long delay because I am showing you. So if I use a fast delay, then it will be difficult for me to explain everything and show it to you. And when using this bot, of course, make sure that you have the latest version of Chrome browser installed. Otherwise, the bot will not work. So you can see the bot has already clicked on the accept cookies, and then it has also clicked the search button, and it says that there aren't enough tickets to complete your request. So there is no ticket, and that's why it is not coming. You can see again that it has clicked on the find tickets button, and let's see one more time. And I am not using proxies, so it is a bit risky because my IP may get banned. So I will not run the bot for a long time. So you can see that it is not getting any tickets. Okay, so this is how the bot works. So if there was any ticket available, the uh, bot will go to the next step and just book the right ticket for you. So this is how the Ticketmaster bot works. And if you need the bot, you can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The links are given in the description or in the about section of my channel. And if you need any discussion or anything else, you can just contact me there and you can buy the bot. So thanks for watching the full video. Thank you.